Welcome to Money Talk Show TV. We have been helping people become financially strong and independent for more than 5 years now, with 5,000 plus successful projects at more than 15 locations. We are a global platform with an aim to enable you to make better financial decisions, hence making you a better investor. Today, we will introduce you to a new and updated platform that can help you financially become a man of your dream. But first, let me ask you a question. Are you an investor or a stakeholder? Or do you want to become one but couldn't find the perfect platform for your investment? Well, let me tell you about Webull. Webull is an online brokerage firm without any middleman or commission or fee to sell and buy stocks. It is absolutely free for older as well as new users. Webull is easy to use and they have their application on the web, desktop, and mobiles, both iOS and Android. Enough with the insights. Let me show you how you can open a brokerage account with Webull in just a few easy steps. The first is to open the Webull sign up page from the link given below. Then you click the sign up button. Here you can register yourself by either your mobile number or email address. You will be sent a verification code to your provided email account or mobile number. After 60 seconds, the code expires, so you must hurry. After being done with providing the code, hooray! You are done with the sign up. Now, before moving further for investing or buying stocks, you have to open an account. You will see this option once you are signed in. To open an account, you have to go through 5 phases. In the first phase, you will be asked your personal information, such as name, gender, birth date, address, etc. In the second phase, you will be asked about your employment status, business nature, etc. The third phase will consist of questions related to your plan on Webull, such as how long are you planning to invest, or how much, etc. The fourth step will ask for your ID number. The fifth will ask for affiliation, so just leave that as it is. In the end, you just have to agree to the term and then wait for the application's approval. Congratulations now! As a bonus, if you sign up now, you will receive a 3-month Level 2 Advanced NASDAQ Total View subscription for free. For learning more about amazing opportunities and having an insight into the latest updates in the financial world, keep yourself updated with moneytalkshowtv.com.